So hi everyone, my name is Mr. Prabhu. I'm 19 years old. The course that I'm taking is Diploma in Management. I'm studying in Spectrum as full-time and also I'm working as part-time. So how I manage my both of time is it's a commitment that I make to both life. So it's my responsibility to balance both study life at the same time work life as well. So that's how flexible for me studying here, and that's it. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Omar Isham dan umur saya 19. Saya ambil Diploma in Renewable Energy Management. Apa yang saya suka di college ni ialah mungkin flexibility masa, sebab saya dapat kerja dan belajar dalam satu masa tanpa rasa terbeban. Dan itu baguslah sebab saya baru umur 19, saya dah ada gaji sendiri. So saya rasa independent. Itu je.
Hi everyone, I am Kavin Moli Muniandi. I am 19 years old. I am studying Diploma in Management at Spectrum International University College. I really like to study here because of the flexibility. Well, I am studying here, but I am working at another place. From this, I get many benefits and I can manage my time by my schedule. At the same time, I get education and money. All this possible because of the Spectrum International University College. Thank you.
So, hi, nama saya Rosliza. Saya study dekat Spectrum International University College. Umur saya 20. Saya mengambil program Diploma in Management. Selain daripada full-time student, saya juga mengambil part-time job, di mana masa part-time job tu tidak mengganggu masa saya belajar. Malahan, saya boleh menambah kos kewangan saya untuk perbelanjaan seharian dan juga boleh support financial dalam family. Love you Spectrum. Bye.
I love Spectrum.
I love Spectrum.
I love Spectrum and I love Spectrum. Thank you from me.